Je m'appelle Solveig Balle et j'écris le livre Le volume du temps qui vient de paraître chez Grasset. It's a book about Tara Selter. She's an antiquarian bookseller and she lives in the northern part of France, in a small town called Clermont-sous-Bois, which doesn't exist. On the 17th of November, she goes to Bordeaux to buy some books. Then she goes to Paris to visit some friends. On the 18th of November, she wakes up and buys more books. And next morning, she wakes up again and again, it's the 18th of November. She's a relatively young woman. I think she's about 29 at the time of when the book starts. She lives with her husband Thomas Selter in a small town, and she's stuck in the 18th of November. When we meet her in the beginning of the book, it's her 18th of November, number 121. So, and she sits in the guest room of her house because she has been with her husband for many days, and they, as she is stuck in the 18th of November, he thinks every morning that it is the first 18th November. And after a while, it became a bit difficult for them. So she sits in the back room of the house, overlooking the garden, and that's where we meet her. Til de franske læsere vil jeg sige, jeg er meget glad for, at bogen nu er kommet på fransk, og jeg håber, I vil tage godt imod den.